behold, I will do a new thing. Now it shall spring forth. And shall you not know it? I will even make a way in the wilderness, in the rivers, in the desert. I come and say, I don't care what situation you in. God said, I'll make a way in everywhere you are. I can make a way because I am that kind of God. God said, I'm going to make you get to your destiny and your purpose. God don't only say that, but he said, I'm going to reveal to you what's on the inside of you. A lot of us don't even know the potential or the power that we possess on the inside of us. We got the creator, the God himself on the inside of us. He said, lift up your heads, O ye gates, and be ye lifted up, you everlasting doors, and the King of glory shall come in. Who is the King of glory? The Lord, mighty in battle. The Lord, strong and mighty. Is there anybody here gonna let the King of glory on the inside of you? God, fight my battles. God, do what you want to do. Flex your muscles. Throw your weight around. I surrender, God, because you are Jehovah Jireh, the Lord my provider. David says, the Lord is, he is my shepherd, and I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. In other words, David, he backs it up and says, look here, I have been young, now I'm yet old. Never have I seen the righteous forsaken, or my seed begging bread. I am the seed of Abraham, and Abraham is hooked up to Jesus. I am from the tribe of Judah. Judah means praise. That's why I can keep on going. That's why I can praise when I'm hurt. That's why I can praise when I'm sick, because I'm from the tribe of Judah. God says, not only am I going to be Jehovah Jireh, I got to show myself strong. I am Jehovah Nissi, the Lord that raised up a standard when the enemy come in like a flood. The Spirit of the Lord shall raise up a standard. That's why you can't stop. That's why the accident didn't kill you, because the standard is over your head. Say it.
He says now, I'm trying to reveal unto you who I am.
Yes.
The reason why you're going through in this present time, because when you step into your promise and into your future, you will have a revelation of who I am. God says you will never realize who I am except you go through some stuff. So baby, I come to tell you to stop crying. Just suck it up. Just suck it up, y'all. Just go ahead and suck it up. Just suck it up. Just stop crying about it. Just suck it up. Just stop crying. Just stop crying, because God says all the things that you have gone through and all the things that you are going through is just because I need to reveal something to you. What is God trying to reveal? God says on the inside of you is me. God says I'm trying. You listen, people are always telling you, baby, it's on the inside of you. It's on the inside of you. Everything you need is on the inside of you. The answer you need is on the inside of you. Well, why can they say that with assurance? Because God is on the inside of you. He is the Alpha and the Omega. God says when I created you, I stepped out of eternity and I went down in time, and I knew you was going to catch hell. So I went down there where you was at, and I made provision for you. Jehovah Jireh stepped out of eternity and he went down into the present time, and he made a way out of no way. He says, I'm trying to reveal unto you just who I am. I said, God, what you mean you trying to reveal who I am? God, I read the Bible. I know who you are. God says there's so much of me that you will never fully understand.